This is what you're missing out on not installing a smart meter valve. The last time I bought a phone, it worked right out of the box. And that's how it should be, right? Why make things like these hard for yourself? Well, unfortunately, this is exactly what happens a lot right now in the process industry. Let me tell you how it can be done differently with a smart meter valve. With a smart meter valve, you get the total solution for your entire control loop, based on the proven components by manufacturers you already know, Krone and Samsung. It measures and controls with the highest accuracy possible, and it thinks along with you. Right now, you probably don't have all the insights you could have. This means you're not sure if a component is leaking or if it will break soon. Right now, you need smart people to understand data and detect leakage points. What if you could use a smart device that tells you this directly? And what you're also missing out on is setting up the smart meter valve. It's so easy. The kit of our R&D engineer is able to do it. I made a lot of promises about what you shouldn't miss out on using a smart meter valve. Feel free to hold me accountable and experience it yourself.